Hi friends, it's nice to see you again. So for today, I have a new story for you. Do you still remember about Henry? Yeah, actually, Henry has a pet. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a dog. So the story is about Henry's dog. Do you want to listen to the story? Okay, so here's the story. Henry Helps with the Dog, written by Beth Bracken. This is Henry's house. 4 people live in Henry's house, but someone else lives there too. Toby lives there. Toby is Henry's dog. Henry helps mom and dad take care of Toby. When it's time for Toby to eat, Henry carefully pours dog food into a bowl. When Toby is thirsty, Henry makes sure that he has enough water. Do you want to give Toby a treat? Mom asks. Yes, Henry yells. When Toby wants to play, Henry tosses him a ball. When Toby needs a walk, Henry goes along. Look at the bunny, Henry tells Toby. After Toby takes a bath, Henry dries him off. And at night, when it's time for bed, Toby curls up on the floor to help Henry sleep. Good night, Toby, Henry whispers. The end. How was the story, friends? Did you enjoy the story? Okay, I want to ask you some questions. Can you describe how Toby looks like? Okay, now what does Henry usually do to Toby? Okay, now do you have a pet too, like Henry? If yes, what kind of pet do you have? Okay, thank you for listening to the story.